Good morning, my dear students. Take out your SST book and one rough copy with you. Today I will teach you chapter 1, Continent and Oceans. Okay. What are continents? Yes, come on, tell me. In previous class you had already studied. Okay, so tell me, what are continents? A large land masses, look at the blackboard, a large land masses are called continent. And how many continent? There are 7 continent. Okay, according to size they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. I hope all of you understand what are continent and how many continent. See the next. What are oceans? The vast water bodies are called oceans. Okay. The vast water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. Okay. The Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Understand? So let's start our chapter. Open your book, lesson 1, page number 3. See the first para. Earth is third planet from the sun. Okay. We know Earth is our home planet. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The sun and its 8 planets make a solar family or solar system. Okay. The earth is our home planet. We live on the earth. All living beings live on the earth. Earth is only one planet. There is life. In other planet there is no life. Okay. Earth is known as blue planet. Earth is known as watery planet. Why earth is known as watery planet? Because 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. The land masses remain only 29%. That's why earth is known as watery planet. Understand? See the continent. There are 7 continents on the earth. In order of size, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Look at, this is the world map. See in your book. This is your world map. World map showing continent and oceans. Look here. North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia. Europe and Asia together called Eurasia. Australia. Okay. Understand? So there are 7 continents in the world. Let's see in detail all the continents. The first is Asia. Okay, let's see in details. The first continent is Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Okay, which is the largest continent? Asia. Asia सबसे बड़ा continent है. It is surrounded by ocean on 3 sides. और ये 3 ओर से समुद्र से घिरा हुआ है. अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट, माउंट एवरेस्ट, द हाईएस्ट माउंट पीक इन द वर्ल्ड इज ऑल्सो हियर. सबसे विश्व की जो सबसे ऊंची पर्वत चोटी है वो भी एशिया में ही आती है. माउंट एवरेस्ट इज लोकेटेड इन नेपाल. 2 मोस्ट पॉपुलस कंट्रीज, चाइना एंड इंडिया, आर ऑल्सो इन एशिया. इंडिया लाइज इन एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट. Understand? Let's see in your book. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Okay, which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. It covers 1/3 of land area of the Earth's surface. It's surrounded by oceans on 3 sides. The Arctic Ocean in north, the Pacific in east, and Indian Ocean in south. It is home of many high mountain peaks in the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world is here. More than half of the world's population lives in Asia and China and India lies in Asian continent. Okay, see the next. Second is Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is bounded by Mediterranean Sea in the north and Indian Ocean in the east and Atlantic Ocean in the west. Africa is separated from Asia by Suez Canal. Okay. The world's largest Nile River is also in Africa. Understand? See the next. North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is bounded by Arctic Ocean in north and Atlantic Ocean in the east and Pacific Ocean in the west. Okay. Next continent is South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by ocean on all sides. Understand? The famous Amazon rainforest, the world's thickest forests, are located in South America. Next continent is Antarctica. Antarctica is fifth largest continent in the world and it is also known as White Continent. इसको White Continent के नाम से भी जाना जाता है और Frozen Continent. We called it Frozen Continent. Why it called as Frozen Continent? Because it contains 75% of the ice in the world. Understand? Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. Europe is bounded in North America by Arctic Ocean, in the west by Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Australia. Australia is the seventh largest continent. Australia is the seventh and smallest continent in the world. Okay. Understand? And Australia is country as well as continent in the world. Understand? Now it's time to leave. Tomorrow we will continue the same chapter. Tomorrow our topic will be oceans. Okay. Your homework is read lesson 1 from your book. Thank you. Bye bye.